Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda NC750X. This beautiful twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 1,350 miles, automatic transmission, ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful metallic blue. And it's also got that storage in front where the tank normally is. The tank's under the seat. Low center of gravity, handles beautifully, perfect commuter, automatic. It's got the engine guards. Come on by, make your NC750 dreams come true for just $84.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Automatic, 6-speed. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.